John and I are on the celebrity cruise ship from Barcelona to Rome, and today we are in SPEZIA, Italy. Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello John.
Hello Joyce.
And we are taking an excursion today to a farmhouse in Tuscany for lunch. We are currently on a coach bus with a tour guide, and you will hear her in the background as we take a drive through the country to the farmhouse.
The highest peak of the Appuane Alps is around 1,950 meters. It is possible to visit the caves, but only when they are closed or when they are not extracting the marble. Carara is the first town in Tuscany, so we already are in Tuscany here. So you can see the white of the marble much better now. There are several types of marbles in Italy, and they're extracted in different areas. We have the red marble from Verona, the white marble from Tuscany, from the Appuane Alps. Then we have Travertino marble, which is around Rome. The green marble in Sicily. And it's exported all over the world. There is on the right here, there is a nice vineyard. You see the plants. Tuscany produces a very good olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and but the taste is a bit stronger than the oil produced in Liguria. The further down you go, the stronger the pungent is the taste. So the another area where you have a big production of olive oil is Puglia, that is the heel of Italy, and their production is the taste is pungent, more pungent.
We have arrived at the farm, and the first thing we're going to do is take a horse and carriage ride across the farm to the location where we're going to have lunch. So we get to ride at the very back of the first carriage with these beautiful horses right there next to us, and the amazing views of this farm. We will be arriving at our destination momentarily. On a real farm in Tuscany. Amazing. This is like something straight out of a movie. Now here's the table. It's 8 to a table.
pasta with sauce and bread and cheese. Did you want more beans?
Yes. I think we might need that.
Just getting the food down the middle, nobody's faces.
Are you kidding me? So what do you get?
What's your name?
Deanna.
Hi, Deanna. It's nice to have a meal with you in Tuscany.
Oh my god, fantastic.
And you are?
I'm Summer.
Hi, Summer.
I'm Tom.
Hey, Tom.
Connor.
Connor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, we have finished our meal and we're just going to take a walk around the property and see what we can see. This is so picturesque. I feel like I am in a movie.
I'm going to take a little walk around the property to show you a better perspective as to where we got off the carriage and where we ate. This is the front area. This is quite a large farm. The carriage ride was about 15 minutes from where we got on to this point here where we had lunch.
This tour consisted of the bus ride here, which was about an hour, and then when we got here, a horse and carriage ride, as you saw, and then a meal of meat and cheese and pasta and bread and wine. How gorgeous.
Let's go take a walk inside. I understand they have a little store and some items that they sell from some of the things they grow on this farm.
I wonder if we're going to get coffee. Here's the kitchen. So they sell their pasta and their wine.
They also sell olive oil, truffle oil, and balsamic vinegar. We bought a few things and cannot wait to get home to try them.
And back outside.
Io adesso vi porto i due del caffè no.
I didn't mind the bus ride because I felt it very relaxing, especially after the pace that we've been going. So the bus ride, for some people, may find it to be too long, but I didn't find it to be too long, and the destination was definitely worth it. Okay, so that does it for our day in Florence Port, and it has been wonderful and adventurous and just incredibly memorable. It's been a phenomenal day. We hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.